In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an offer on eBay. By the end, you'll understand when a retraction is allowed, when it's not, and exactly how to try canceling an offer on the eBay website. Let's start with what eBay allows. You can cancel or retract an offer if you act quickly, typically within about an hour of placing it, so long as the seller hasn't accepted, declined, or sent a counteroffer. Retraction is also allowed when you made a genuine mistake, like entering the wrong amount or clicking on the wrong item, or if the seller changed the listing in a significant way after you submitted your offer. The listing itself also needs to still be active. If all of those conditions line up, you're in good shape to try a retraction. Now, here's when you usually can't cancel. If the seller has already accepted your offer, that's considered a binding agreement under eBay's rules. If the seller has sent a counteroffer, you generally can't retract the original one at that point. And if too much time has passed since you placed the offer, the retraction window may have closed. In those scenarios, the cancel option typically won't be available. If you believe your offer qualifies for retraction, here's how to try it on a desktop browser or the eBay website. Sign into your account, then head to My eBay. From there, go to Bids Offers, which you may see grouped under Purchase History, depending on your layout. Find the item you made the offer on and select Review Offer. If retraction is allowed for that offer, you'll see a button that says Retract Offer or Cancel Offer. Click it, choose the most accurate reason, like wrong amount or wrong item, and confirm. You should see a confirmation that your offer has been retracted. A quick tip as you go through this: if you don't see the retract or cancel option, it usually means the offer isn't eligible. That could be because the seller has already acted on it, the listing changed state, or the allowable time window has passed. To avoid needing a retraction in the future, double-check the price, quantity, item variation, and shipping details before you submit an offer. If you notice a typo right after placing it, say an extra zero, act immediately and try the steps we covered. Once the retraction is confirmed, you can always place a new offer with the correct amount if you still want the item. That's it. You now know what eBay permits, what it doesn't, and exactly how to cancel an offer when it's possible.